Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Welcome to today's egg-citing episode where we dive into the world of micro-learning with eggs. Yes, you heard that right, eggs. So, let's crack on with it. Eggs are not just a breakfast staple, they are a treasure trove of knowledge and nutrition. First up, did you know eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition? They are one of the most versatile and nutrient-dense foods available. One large egg contains about 6 grams of protein and all 9 essential amino acids. This makes them an excellent source of high-quality protein. Plus, they pack a punch with vitamins A, D, E, and B12. These vitamins are crucial for maintaining good health, supporting vision, bone health, and even brain function. Here's a fun fact. The color of an egg's shell has nothing to do with its nutritional value. Whether it's white, brown, or even blue, the nutrients inside are the same. It all depends on the breed of the hen. White hens lay white eggs, while brown hens lay brown eggs. Easy peasy, right? And some breeds even lay blue or green eggs. Moving on to cooking, eggs are super versatile. They can be the star of the dish or a supporting ingredient. You can scramble them, fry them, boil them, or even bake them into delicious treats. The possibilities are endless. Whatever your style, there's an egg recipe for everyone. From simple omelets to elaborate cakes, eggs can do it all. Now let's talk a bit about the science of eggs. Eggs are fascinating from a scientific perspective. When you cook an egg, you're actually causing the proteins to unfold and rebond in a process called denaturation. This is a fundamental concept in food science. This is what transforms a clear, runny egg white into a solid white mass. It's like a mini science experiment in your kitchen. Ever wondered why some boiled eggs are hard to peel? It's a common kitchen conundrum. It all comes down to the egg's age. Freshness plays a big role in how easy or difficult it is to peel an egg. Fresher eggs have a lower pH, making the whites stick to the shell membrane more. This makes them harder to peel. Older eggs are easier to peel because their pH increases over time. So if you want easy to peel eggs, let them age a bit. And hey, did you know that the way an egg stands in water can tell you its freshness? It's a simple yet effective test. Fresh eggs sink and lay flat, while older eggs stand upright or even float. This is due to the air cell inside the egg expanding over time. A neat little trick next time you're unsure about those eggs in your fridge. It's a quick and easy way to check. Let's not forget about egg safety. Proper storage is key to keeping your eggs fresh and safe to eat. Always store your eggs in the refrigerator at or below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Celsius. This helps prevent the growth of harmful bacteria. And it's super important to cook them thoroughly to avoid any risk of foodborne illness. Make sure both the whites and yolks are firm. On a lighter note, eggs have had quite the cultural impact. They've been part of traditions and celebrations for centuries. From Easter eggs to the humble egg and spoon race, they've found their way into traditions and games worldwide. It's amazing how such a simple food can bring so much joy. So whether you're looking for a quick breakfast, a protein-packed snack, or a key ingredient for your baking, eggs have got you covered. They truly are a kitchen superstar. Alright, that's all for today's egg-citing micro-learning session. We hope you enjoyed cracking the code with us. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more bite-sized knowledge. Your support means the world to us. Drop a comment below if you have any egg-related questions or fun facts to share. We love hearing from you. See you in the next one. Bye. Until then, keep exploring and learning.